it's Bob Holloway here at MarineMax in Louisville. Once again, we're talking Scarabs. This is a 2019 195 Scarab. Great little package. As you can see, the interior is done in the Impulse blue accent. Really catches your eye. It's kind of a liquid look. It looks amazing. When you look up here at the dash, we've got the Scarab touchscreen dash system. That's going to give you a GPS system. All of your speed control functions are done through there. It's real high definition. It works great in any light. Really nice looking package with the accents. This boat is equipped with Wake Blast, which is a ballast system, pumps water in the boat to make the boat heavier, to make the wake bigger. It also has the Surf Stream package, so we got surf tabs on the back of the boat that create that great surf wake. You've got the safety, obviously, of having a jet. You don't have to worry about people getting in a propeller or getting hurt. You also have a great surf wake. We ordered this boat with the bow filler cushion. We ordered it with an upgraded sound system with amplifier and subwoofer. It does have LED lights in the speakers, so it looks really cool at night. LEDs throughout the interior. One thing I really appreciate about the Scarabs is the frameless windshield. Really clean look. It doesn't whistle going down the lake if you're going fast in a boat. You don't have to worry about that. Just a clean look and easier to take care of. You've got a ton of storage in the boat. Pretty much any of the seats that are horizontal in this boat have storage underneath them. You've got great bucket seats with flip down bolsters, driver and passenger. You've got some really cool seats on the back of the boat. They actually flip towards the interior. So if you're hanging out, with your friends rafted up or whatever, if you're putting skis on, really good height off the platform, so it's real easy to put your skis and wakeboards in. Great place to sit and hang out, or a great place to get in and out of the boat for water sports. Boat's powered by 300 horsepower jet. Great performing package. Once again, I'm Bob Holloway at MarineMax. Come by and see us anytime to view the Scarab boats or visit us on MarineMax.com.